Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to change Buy It Now button on Shopify. In order to make changes with your Shopify account, you'll need to go ahead and log in. You'll need to log in into your account first of all. After you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the dashboard page. Here you need to go ahead and tap on Online Store first of all. After you click on the Online Store button, on the other half of your screen you'll be able to see Other Interface. So after that, you need to scroll down a bit and you can see Customize button. Next to it, click on the three dot icon. As soon as you do that, a drop down menu appears. From the list, you need to go ahead and tap on the Edit Code button. Here, you need to look for the option or the code is Theme Liquid or Dot Liquid. As soon as you locate it, click on it. And on the other half, you'll be able to see the code. Here, you need to look for the code that is /head. If you're unable to find the code, then what you can do is you can just go ahead and tap on Ctrl+F at the same time, and on the search box type in /head. After you type in the code, you'll be able to see it highlighted. As you can see, here's the code. Now you'll need to copy this code or select the code first of all. After that, you need to open up the new tab and then paste in the link. So the link is www.pastebin.com. You can also access the link on my description box below, when without having the particular link, I'll be able to make changes with information. After that, you'll be able to see the code once again. So make sure to select all of the code, and this is going to actually let you change the button or make changes with your Shopify account. After you're done copying the code, now you'll need to type in or paste in the link or the code right over here, just above the head button or the /head button. After you've done that, click on the save button located right over here, and as soon as you've done that, refresh your application or log out of your account and you'll be able to see the change Buy Now button. So that is how you can make changes with your Buy It Now button on Shopify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.